Hello guys, welcome back to In 5 Minutes. In this presentation we are going to see how the triggering mechanism of flip-flop works. So triggers, that is nothing but level triggers, are easy to detect, that is positive level and negative levels. But edge triggered flip-flops, how the edge triggered flip-flops are obtained from the clock pulse. All we know that the clock pulses are in this manner. So this is logic 0 level and this is logic 1 level, in which this is the positive level and this one is the negative level, which is very easy to detect. Okay, but the triggers, that is nothing but this is the positive edge trigger and this one is the negative edge trigger right here. These triggers on which the flip-flop is to be activated, how to obtain this trigger, for this we have made this particular session of 5 minutes. So for this particular we will be requiring a differentiator. So what a differentiator is, so basically this is a differentiator. Differentiator consists of a capacitor, shunt resistance and V out. Here you will get the trigger pulses with the help of capacitor, because V in is going to be the square wave continuously going oscillating between logic 0 and logic 1, that is nothing but the our V in. Okay, if you'll see carefully, so these are the diagrams or the clock cycles or the timing diagrams you can say. So for this I'll name this as clock. So this is clock level 0, level 1. Okay, these are the edges we need to detect. Okay, first of all let us see this. This is going to be the voltage across capacitor. If you see carefully, this is the 0 level and this is the 2 by 3 VCC or V in level, you can say, to which the capacitors get charged. So this part is charging of the capacitor, whereas this part is the discharge of the capacitor. Now due to this charging and discharging process, okay, the V out is obtained here. As soon as it gets the positive edge, initially the voltage is positive, suddenly the voltage across capacitor is changed. Suppose this is a positive cycle, so this plate is positive, this plate is negative. As soon as the positive passes, this term becomes negative and this side becomes the positive. The polarity is reversed, so there is a sudden change of charge, high current flow, through which these pulses are obtained. These are the positive edge and this is the negative edge. Again positive edge, negative edge. Such a way the V out is obtained here. So this is the differentiator. Now what will happen if I place a diode here in between this R and suppose another R is there. So I'll put a R here and a diode in this direction, P type, N type. So for this the modified diagram will look like here. Only the positive pulses will be allowed to pass through and the negative will be discarded. So this is nothing but the positive edge triggering. So I will call this as positive edge triggering, and simply if you reverse the diode, then it will pass only negative pulses, and that is called as a negative edge triggered flip-flop. So let me draw a small diagram here to a NAND latch. So SR latch is there having 4 NAND gates. Okay, so this is Q bar, feedback path. Okay, feedback path. This is the S and R input, and here we need to give the clock. So this is the clock input. Now let me say this is the positive edge triggered clock. So what I will do, I will apply a differentiator here. So for the differentiator V in, I'll place one capacitor, a resistor. Both the resistors are shorted to ground. Okay, across this I am going to place the V in. So here is my V in AC, or the square wave is the capacitor C R, and in between that I am going to place a diode, okay, and which is given to the input of the clock connection here. So that is nothing but here I will get the positive edge triggering. So this is how the edge triggered flip-flop works. If you reverse the diode here, you will get the negative edge triggered part. Okay, and to confirm here, this is the differentiator. So this is how the edge triggering part of the flip-flop works, and the level triggers are simply applied to the clock, positive and negative. For negative level triggered, you have to apply a NOT gate here, through which it will be negatively level triggered. So that's all about the edge triggered flip-flops, and thank you for watching in 5 minutes.